The Supreme Court of India has announced that 19 appellate tribunals headed by former Chief Justices and High Court judges will decide on pleas of those excluded from the voter list in West Bengal. The tribunals will also hear pleas from Election Commission officials who may be aggrieved by the inclusion of persons in the voter list by adjudicating authorities. This includes around 700 judicial officers from West Bengal, Odisha and Jharkhand. A bench of Chief Justices Suryakant, Joymalia Bagchi and Vipul M. Pancholi noted two communications from the Chief Justice of Calcutta High Court, updating progress on the process. The Apex Court highlighted the extraordinary exercise of adjudicating objections in the ongoing Special Intensive Revision process. As of 31st March, approximately 47.4 lakh objections out of a total of 60 lakh have been disposed of, with the current disposal crossing 47.3 lakh cases. The court also noted concerns about the alleged non-availability of reasons for the rejection of objections by adjudicating authorities. The Election Commission assured that the tribunals will have access to the records of parties presented before judicial officers while deciding appeals related to exclusion or inclusion in the voter list.